Imagine a bigger display, a super fast chip, powerful cameras, longer battery life, and premium features that could leave every other flagship phone behind. But here's the real question. Will the iPhone 17 Pro Max actually be worth upgrading to? Or is it just another expensive phone with small improvements? Let's begin with the display. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. If this turns out to be true, users can expect bright colors, deep blacks, and an incredibly sharp viewing experience. Apple is also expected to keep its 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, faster animations, and a much better gaming experience. Another exciting rumor is the display brightness. Reports suggest it could reach up to 3,000 nits, making the screen easier to see even under direct sunlight. Now let's talk about the design. Apple is expected to keep its premium look but with even thinner bezels and a cleaner front design. Some leaks even suggest Apple could reduce the size of the dynamic island or make changes to it, although nothing has been officially confirmed yet. Performance has always been Apple's biggest strength, and this year looks no different. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be powered by Apple's newest processor, delivering faster performance, smoother gaming, quicker app launches, and better battery efficiency. Leaks also suggest 12 GB of RAM, which would make multitasking even smoother. Whether you're editing videos, playing heavy games, or using multiple apps at once, this phone is expected to handle everything with ease. Storage could also receive an upgrade. The base model may start with 256 GB of storage. That means more space for your photos, videos, games, and apps without worrying about running out of memory anytime soon. Now let's move to the most exciting part, the cameras. Leaks suggest Apple may include a 40-megapixel main camera, along with an improved triple camera system. On the front, rumors point to an upgraded selfie camera that could produce sharper photos and better quality video calls. If these leaks are accurate, users can expect better low-light photography, more detailed portraits, smoother video recording, and the natural colors Apple is famous for. For creators who love taking photos and shooting videos, this could be one of the biggest reasons to upgrade. Battery. Battery life may also improve this year. Reports suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max could include a battery of around 4800 mAh, combined with Apple's powerful software optimization. The phone is also expected to support fast and convenient charging options. So, how much could all of this cost? Current leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max may start at around $700, although this is only an estimate. The final price will depend on your country, storage option, and Apple's official announcement.